Hypoxia seems to be the perfect way to die. But Michael now faces a different problem: how to implement his chosen method.
I think hypoxia is the solution. What I haven't really thought about so far are the practicalities, because you can't build an expensive altitude chamber in place of every death chamber. There's got to be a simpler way.
There is one British scientist who has been developing a humane method of killing based on the euphoric effects of the altitude chamber. Dr. Mohan Raj from Bristol University has been researching hypoxia as a way to kill farm animals in slaughterhouses. But instead of using a multi-million-pound machine, he's using a painless gas.
Yes, it is indeed, yeah.
You've been using hypoxia humanely to kill farm animals. How are you doing that?
We're using argon or nitrogen.
You're using a gas?
Yes.
And that produces the same sort of hypoxia as I experienced in the altitude chambers?
That's correct, yeah. Principally, they deprive the brain of oxygen.
And how have you been doing that?
We wanted to choose the gas mixture that is animal welfare friendly. And the best way of deciding that is to ask the pigs if they were given a free choice to choose one or the other gas, what they call preference testing.
Dr. Raj conducted an experiment in which pigs were offered apples in a chamber filled with different hypoxia-inducing gases. First, he used carbon dioxide, a toxic gas that irritates the body.
If they find a gas mixture aversive, they will not feed in that atmosphere.
Then he used inert gases, such as nitrogen and argon. Unlike carbon dioxide and the poison used in the gas chamber, inert gases have no detectable smell, taste, or physical sensation. So the body has no way of knowing that the oxygen in the air has been entirely replaced by another gas. The painless effect is confirmed by what the pig did next.
They woke up and just looked around and went back to feed again on the apples. And that indicated to us that it is a stress-free induction of unconsciousness.
And can I see this equipment?
Of course you can.
So simple.
So, it is. We have a source of nitrogen here,
Yeah.
taken through this tube, and the gas is delivered using the face mask to pigs restrained in this hammock.
And would you be able to change this mask to a human mask and apply it to me?
Yes, you could, but I wouldn't recommend it.
Why?
Because inhaling pure nitrogen, you will be rendered unconscious within 15 seconds.
15 seconds, really?
That's right.
And how long to death?
Within a minute.
Really?
Yes.
That's astonishing. So this really is the perfect killing machine.
Appears to be the case, yes.